We are back again, and this time with ESHA Firm. ESHA Firm is perfect for those seeking short-term wear. So this is great for my ladies who do not commit to a single hairstyle and just loves to switch it up every day. The great thing about ESHA Firm is that the more layers you add, the stronger the hold. So ESHA Firm can last for a few days or even up to a week with proper care. I just love using the stocking cap method because it protects our hair underneath and mimics a bald cap for a seamless install. So right now I'm applying a small amount of ESHA Firm around the hairline. It's always good to go a couple of centimeters below your actual hairline to prevent the glue from going in your hair. But don't worry ladies, even if this glue gets on your edges, it will not damage your hair. Cause once they're gone, it's hard to get them back. So that's why I love ESHA. It will not remove our precious edges. I like to go in with a rat tail comb to evenly smooth out the glue. And once the glue completely dries, just lift the stocking cap and cut off all the excess material from around your forehead. Cut as close as you can so that it lays flat. Then apply another small layer around the hairline for the wig install. Unlike ESHA Absolute, you do not wait until the glue becomes tacky. Once you apply that glue, put that unit on right away. This glue dries fast, so don't mess around. Press down for 1 to 3 minutes or until firmly in place. By the way, this gorgeous unit is from the Jenny Collection 13x4 Princess Lace line called the Kaylee wig in the color black purple. This is my favorite wig, and guess what? It features baby hairs. How cute is that? Right now, I'm aligning the unit to my hairline. You gotta make sure it's perfectly aligned. It's always great to apply your unit directly on the glue, one section at a time. This will prevent the hair from getting under the lace. Placing the unit at the center helps. It's amazing how fast and clear this glue dries. It dried within 3 minutes, and I didn't even need to use my blow dryer. So right now, I'm just swooping my baby hairs. You gotta lay them edges, girls. Now I'm applying my powder foundation on the lace for a seamless blend. And voila, it's on and it's not going anywhere. Watch me tug my wig, hashtag tug of war, hashtag ESHA glue. ESHA Firm will withstand heat, humidity, and everyday activities. Save your edges and secure your wig. It's removal time. ESHA Glue Remover is formulated to remove not only ESHA Absolute and ESHA Firm, but all kinds of hair adhesives and bonds. This fast-acting formula will safely remove your hair unit. It is gentle on your skin and will rinse off with water. So first you gently lift and spray all around your hairline or wherever the adhesive is. And now we wait about 3 to 5 minutes. My goodness, look how easy that removal process was. This was probably the most pain-free and clean removal I have ever experienced. Now all you do is rinse the product off and follow up with the clarifying shampoo. So that's it ladies. For more information about ESHA Firm and ESHA Lace Bond Remover, just check the description box below. Bye Janet cuties.